Hello students, welcome to 7th maths class. In our last session we have started chapter number 5, operations on rational number. 4 operations: addition, subtraction, multiplication and division on rational numbers. How to do this we have seen in our last sessions. Now today's point is numbers between rational numbers. Numbers between any two natural numbers we can easily tell. For example, write the natural numbers between 2 and 9. So that will be 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. But like that, if question is like this, write the natural numbers between 1 by 2 and 3 by 4. That is, write the rational numbers between these two numbers. Then how to find that numbers we will see today. Consider this question. Write the rational numbers between 4 by 2 and 3 by 4. For such examples, that is, find the rational numbers between two given numbers, always we have to make denominator equal of given numbers. For example, here is denominator 2 and here is denominator 4. So these denominator should be made equal. This will be our first step. How we will find that we will see. For example, the same example can be solved by number of ways. For example, see first method. First number is 4 divided by 2. We will multiply this number by 2 in numerator and denominator. So it will be 4 into 2 and 2 into 2. So 4 into 2 is 8 and 2 into 2 is 4. So this will become 8 divided by 4. So first number is converted into 8 divided by 4. Now second number is 3 divided by 4. Here 4 is present. So now this number and this number, they are having in denominator as 4. Now when we are going to make denominator equal, after doing that, compare numerators. So second step is, after making denominator equal, compare numerators. Here in this number and this number, numerator is 8 and 3. 8 and 3. So the numbers between 8 and 3 are 4, 5, 6 and 7. So denominator just we have made 4. For numerator, out of these 4 numbers we can choose any number. So the numbers will be 4 divided by 4, 5 divided by 4, 6 divided by 4 or 7 divided by 4. These numbers lies between 8 divided by 4 and 3 divided by 4. This same example can be solved by other method as follows. Multiply first number by 20. First number is 4 divided by 2. So multiply by 20 to numerator and denominator. So it will become 4 into 20 and 2 into 20. So it will be 4 into 20 is 80 and 2 into 20 is 40. So this number 4 divided by 2 will become 80 divided by 40. Now here denominator is 40. So other numbers denominator also we will make 40. How we can do that? Second number is 3 by 4. So to make here 40, you have to surely multiply by 10. So 3 into 10 and 4 into 10. 3 into 10 is 30 and 4 into 10 is 40. Now here in both the numbers denominator became 40. Now as our first step is completed, that is, we made denominator same. Now second step will be compare the numerators. Here numerator is 80 and here numerator is 30. So in between 30 and 80 there are 50 numbers. For example 31, 32, 33 up to 79. These numbers lies from 30 to 80. So out of these 50 numbers, any number of your choice you can choose. For example 32 by 40, 51 by 40, 63 by 40, 79 by 40. Again, if you will consider, this same example can be done by third way also. Multiply by 200 to first number. As first number is 4 divided by 2, it will be 4 into 200 and 2 into 200. So it will be 800 divided by 400. Now here denominator is 400. Now second number's denominator also we will make 400. How we can do that? Second number is 3 divided by 4. So we have to multiply by 100 to second number. So second number will become 3 into 100 divided by 4 into 100. 3 into 100 is 300 and 4 into 100 is 400. Now both the numbers are having denominator as 400. As denominator is same, now what we will do? Now compare the numerators. Numerator of first number is 300 and numerator of second number is 800. So in between these two numbers there are 500 numbers from 301, 302, 303 up to 799. So these all numbers are lying between 300 to 800. So out of that any number you can keep in numerator and denominator just we have made 400. So for example, suppose 321 divided by 400, 541 divided by 400, 663 by 400, 729 by 400. Again the same numbers, if they are multiplied by 1000, 2000, again you can get number of rational numbers, large number of rational numbers between the two numbers. So from this we can say that there are innumerable rational numbers between any two rational numbers. For example, consider, write any three rational numbers between 4 divided by 5 and 2 by 3. Here multiply first number by 30 and multiply second number by 50. So they will become like this. 4 divided by 5 multiply by 30, it will become 120 divided by 150. And second number is multiplied by 50, so it will become 100 divided by 150. Now denominator is same, 150, 150. Now compare the numerators, 120 and 100. So there are 18 numbers in between them, 101, 102 up to 119. So any number out of that you can choose and just form the rational numbers. For example, 101 divided by 150, 111 divided by 150, 119 divided by 150. These numbers are lying between 4 divided by 5 and 2 divided by 5. In this way you can write or you can find the rational numbers between given rational numbers. You can do this example by your own method also. Here you can multiply by other numbers. Just condition is that denominator of both the numbers should be made same, and after that compare numerators. Next example is minus 3 by 4 divided by minus 3 by 4 and 5 by 4. Here if you will see, denominator is already same. Both numbers are having denominator 4. So just directly compare the numerator minus 3 and 5. In between these two numbers there are minus 2, minus 1, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. So out of these numbers you can choose any number. For example, minus 2 by 4, minus 1 by 4, 1 by 4, 2 by 4. These all are lying between minus 3 by 4 and 5 by 4. Next example is 7 by 8 and minus 5 by 3. We have to find any three rational numbers between these two numbers. Multiply first number by 3. It will become 7 into 3 divided by 8 into 3. It will become 21 divided by 24. Multiply second number by 8. So it will become minus 5 into 8 divided by 3 into 8. So it will become minus 40 divided by 24. Now denominator of these two numbers is 24. Just compare numerators now. Numerator is 21 and minus 40. So in between minus 40 and 21, any number you can choose as numerator, and denominator is 24. So numbers will be like 20 divided by 24, minus 39 divided by 24, 1 minus 1 divided by 24, minus 2 divided by 24, 8 divided by 24. Because if you will see number line, minus 40 lies here, 0 will be here, and 21 is here on the right side. So from 0 to 21 there are 20 numbers, 1, 2, 3 up to 20. And from 0 to minus 40 there are 39 numbers, minus 1, minus 2 up to minus 39. So out of all this number, that is from minus 39 to 20, any number as a numerator you can choose, denominator is 24. So remember this, there are innumerable rational numbers between any two rational numbers. Based on this, from practice set 23, we have completed question number 2nd, 5th and 6th. Remaining all questions will be homework for you. All the solved example by me, and the remaining as a homework you have to do in your notebook.